They speak English. Англійська мова Шекспіра та нью-йоркських таксистів. Англійська стане у нагоді вам, бойські дівчиська.
Я дуже довго не був в школі, тим паче на уроці. І прийшов, кажуть, англійська мова, ну окей.
І я дуже вдячна моїй мамі, яка мене колись віддала з 5 років уже на мінімальні такі курси англійської мови. І я насправді полюбила мову цю. І вона в мене, в принципі, в раціоні вживається. Але є моменти, які можна підтягувати.
Hello guys, it's time for English lesson. My name is Natalia Leszko. Let's start. And I would like to see my guest today. So, hello Alina, hello Alex.
Hello.
Alex, how are you today?
I'm well, thank you. And you?
I'm fantastic, thank you very much. What about you, Alina?
I'm okay, thank you.
You're okay? It's
Yeah.
good. Let's start the lesson. Today we'll continue talking about transport and we'll add directions.
Okay.
Given directions. Okay? Let's start with our homework. I ask you to rank the means of transport from the slowest to the fastest. Okay? Let's just briefly discuss. What do you think is the slowest?
I think tram is the slowest.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Okay, Alina, would you like to add something?
To talk about the slowest or to say what is after the tram.
You decide.
I think bus can be pretty slow too.
Okay, this is really good. Okay, what is going to be so tram, bus? What is going to be next?
I think next one, ship.
Ship.
Maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay, agree? Alina,
Agree.
agree?
for sure.
Good. And what do you think is the fastest, the top?
The plane
Plane or helicopter?
No, plane.
Plane.
For sure.
For sure. Or it can be this Japanese trains which are going super fast.
Super fast. Okay. So this can be possible. We have just train, a typical train. I don't think this is super fast. I would agree with plane.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think? Tell us. Let's move on. How can I get from to? So let's have a look at the picture.
Yeah.
We have railway station, a park, cinema, tunnel, Jake's house. So we're talking about Jake in a moment. And supermarket. Any unknown words for you? Do you know all the words?
Yes.
Okay. So, just an example. I'm just checking you. Okay. How can I get from the supermarket to the cinema? Can you help me?
With which transport you can get? You ask us.
We don't use transport here. No transport on the picture. I think these words can help you.
Okay.
So, from the supermarket to the cinema, how can you get?
So, can I?
Yes?
Please? So you walk through King Street and after you turn to the right,
Okay.
you are going through the bridge.
Okay.
Yes. And you, on the right side, you will see this cinema.
The cinema. That was a really nice answer. Thank you very
you.
much, Alina. Okay, now we'll focus on prepositions. And we'll come back to this a bit later. So, grammar time. Do you like grammar? Uh-oh.
Let's do it.
A lot of people say like Alex, no, we don't like grammar.
It's a bit
Let's try. Okay, it can
Okay.
be difficult, but let's try. Maybe it's going to be easy for you. So, prepositions of movements. Let's start with number one. To.
To.
Repeat after me. To.
To.
Into.
Into.
Onto.
Onto.
Across.
Across.
Along.
Along.
Out of.
Out of.
Over.
Over.
And through.
Through.
So, if you look at the pictures, over, if you have a bridge, what will you use with the bridge? Through or over?
Probably it can be over.
Yes,
better than
over
through.
the bridge.
Yeah.
Through
and
the-
so I made a mistake.
It's okay. It was just, we can use it in the lesson. We test the students, then we give them information, then we test them again. It's
you.
okay. It's not a mistake. So, out of, this is means you leave something, z. Yes? Okay. Onto, on top. Into, inside.
Inside.
Yes. Okay. Across, через. Тобто across the street.
Across the street.
Okay. Along, вздовж. Yes. So along the street or across the street. It depends.
Okay.
Через дорогу чи уздовж дороги.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's remember these prepositions. So look at the words and I give you 1, 2, 3 and you talk with me. We name them one by one. 1, 2, 3.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out of, over, through.
Continue.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out of, over, through.
Good.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out of,
Over.
over,
Through.
through.
Through. Okay, it's going to be more challenging.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out of,
Bravo.
We just
Along?
said it.
No?
Oh.
No.
Over.
over, through.
Through.
Over.
Good.
Over. Two,
Into, onto, across, along, out of,
out of,
over,
Yes, amazing.
through.
Bravo.
Let's remember.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out on,
Out of, along,
over, through.
over.
Amazing.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out on, over,
Out of.
out of, along, over, through.
Okay.
Over.
Alina, can you try?
Two, into, onto, across, along, out of, over, through.
Bravo. Alex, your turn.
Two, into, onto, across, along, out of, over, through.
Fantastic. That was amazing, innit? So, let's move on. We have the prepositions for you to remember, but I'm sure you know them all. And we have 5 sentences. So we need to choose the correct preposition. Let's go with number 1. That is putting sausages onto or into the barbecue.
Into the bar. Or no, onto the barbecue.
Yes, actually we have a barbecue,
Barbecue,
and we
so
put them onto. Number 2. She's swimming across or over the river.
Across the river. No, no. Over the
Over,
river.
over
the
the-
river.
Over the
Oh.
river or
No, no,
across.
no, no, no. Across.
Swimming across.
Yes, across the river. Number 3. The children are diving into or along the sea. Diving.
Into.
Yes, correct. Number 4. She's coming through or out of the theater now.
Out of the theater.
Yes. And number 5. Look, he's jumping out of or over the fence. Do you know the fence? The word. Забор.
Yeah.
Паркан.
But we're thinking over.
Over.
Over. Yes, agree. Over the fence. Well done. Now, let's have a look at this text. Jake is giving his friend directions to his new house. And this is his text. When you come out of the station, turn right. So he's here. Exit. You leave the railway station. And walk, blah, 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 King Street. What is going to be there?
Walk across the.
These words can help you. Once we already used out of, okay?
Along.
Along. Alina, do you agree?
Do you remember what is along?
Yes.
How is it? How you will show
Вздовж.
it? Вздовж. So let's see. How is it? Along.
King
Yes.
Street.
Correct. So you leave the railway station, go along King Street, yes. Turn left on the river road, you're here, and go the bridge.
Over.
Over.
Over the bridge, bravo. You're already here. Walk the tunnel.
Through.
Bravo.
Tunnel.
Through the tunnel, you are here. Get the tunnel.
Get
Uh,
along.
Вийди з тунеля.
out of.
Out of.
Yes. And until you get to the pan lane, you are here.
Across.
Walk across, and my house is right in front of you at number 12. Easy.
You
Right?
can't miss it. Cool.
Yes, you can't miss it. It's very easy to reach it. So, a task for you. Ready? Choose the correct preposition. Number 1.
John is walking across the road.
Good. Across the road. Number 2.
Over. He's going over the river.
Good. And number 3.
He is going through a tunnel.
And number 4.
He's going out of the house.
Let's check.
Oh,
He's going
into.
because there is an
Into.
arrow. Have a look. Into.
Into the house.
He's going inside. The door opens and he comes. Okay? Let's move on. And I suggest a game. Let's play.
Let's play.
We love playing games. You showed us. This time we're gonna play with a dice. This is the dice, and I want you to give me an examples with the preposition. So number 1, if I roll the dice and I have number 1, you tell me over. Over a what? Over the fence, over a bridge, over the bridge. So you give me an example. Okay? Like this, just for you to remember. For example, I have 4, and you tell me 4 along the street, along the river, for example. It depends. So, ready? Who will start first, Alex or Alina?
Okay, me.
Lina.
But I'm a bit worried.
You're worried. Don't worry.
How it's
No
gonna
stress. So I roll the dice. And 3. This is 3.
Across. I'm walking across the river.
Bravo. 1 point to you. Alex, ready? And 2.
Through the tunnel.
Yes. Can you walk through the tunnel, or you go through the tunnel, or you drive through the tunnel?
I'm drive.
Drive through the tunnel. Fantastic. Okay, Alina, it's your turn. I roll the dice. 6.
Into. She's coming into the cinema.
Okay, good, possible. So 2-1. Alex, your turn. 6 again.
She's going into the house.
Bravo. 2-2. Let's try again. One more time.
Please.
Okay. So Alina, for you, it's 2.
Through. She's going through this pain.
Okay.
Dramatic.
Possible. Dramatic. Drama, total drama. Alex? 5.
She's going to school.
Good. Possible. So it's 3-3. Again, we call it draw. Bravo. Draw.
Draw.
Bravo. Well done. Let's move on. So we come back to this, remember?
Yeah.
And can you help me now to get from the supermarket to the cinema? Let's try with Alina.
So, okay.
Supermarket.
You're walking across the King Street, turning to the right,
Okay.
and going over the bridge.
Okay.
And after you turn to the right, and then you're gonna see the building with the cinema.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Let's try with Alex. So, I'm at the cinema and I need to go to Jake's house. Help me, please.
You must enter the cinema, then you must through the tunnel.
Go through the tunnel.
Go through the tunnel. Next, you must across River Road.
Pain Lane.
Penn Lane. And
You are there?
You're there.
there.
Yes, Jake's house is there. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Now it's quiz time. I'm gonna check you. Ready? So walk over the bridge, correct?
Correct.
correct.
Yes, correct. What about this one? Turn left and walk across the tunnel.
No,
No, it's false.
it's false because we
what's
cannot across the tunnel.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Alex. Through the tunnel, okay? And one more. Get out of the tunnel and walk into the road.
Into the road. We
Is
cannot.
not correct. What's the problem?
We need to
Over
across. No. Across.
road.
Walk.
So there are two parts here.
Yeah.
Get out of the tunnel. Is
This
this
is,
correct?
it's right.
It's correct. And the second
and
one?
walk through the road. No,
Through
no.
the road.
Not through the road. Oh,
Over.
not across. Over. No,
Walk
not
over.
over.
You just mentioned this word.
Across.
Yes,
Ah.
across the road. You cross the road, so
Yeah.
you go across the road. Bravo. Thank you very much. And one more task, just to remember all the prepositions. Okay? Who will be faster? Let's start with Alina and then Alex. Okay? Alina, ready?
To, into, onto, across. Is it across?
Yes.
Across, yes. Not over is after. I always don't remember this one.
It also starts with A.
Yeah, across
L.
and allow.
Yes.
Okay, allow. Get out. No, out of.
Out of.
Out of. Over and through.
Amazing. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Yeah.
Alex, can you do it faster?
Yeah. You will.
Maybe.
Let's try.
To, into, onto, across, along, out of, over, through.
Amazing. That was really nice. And we check.
Across, along, out of, over. Along and out of.
Everything is correct. Along as out of. These are confusing for you.
Yeah, I'm bugging there.
Yeah. Probably just the pictures. Out of, just
Yeah.
out of the box. Think out of the box.
Yeah, out of the bus. And I always want to say get off.
Yes. Sometimes it's
Out of.
Yeah, but when we talk about movement, out of the box, this is for you the trigger words,
Yeah.
and along the street.
Along the street.
Yes. So your homework, you're organizing a party at your house, write a paragraph, giving directions from the nearest metro or bus station to your house, and draw a simple map. Okay?
Wow. Okay.
There is a bell. Unfortunately, we have to stop the lesson. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Natalia.
See you next time.
Всі ми колись хотіли навпаки звільнитися від цього, тому що це 11 років ми вчилися, в нас намагалися вштрикнути ці всі знання, які ми так тяжко приймали. Ну, я скажу, що зараз десь я би хотіла мати знову змогу вчитися, сидіти і поглинати знання, тому що в кінці кінців, як мій батько казав, це пригодилося.
Будемо пробувати. Сподобалось. Дуже класна вчителька і все так пояснювала. Технології. Мене вразили технології. Дошка, пультиком, там воно щось переключалось. Все так цікаво було. Комунікація просто на фантастичному рівні.